If you're looking for a trading community, guys, Syre is that for you, because what we're doing at Syre is getting an insight into SmartCharts, probably the best trading platform in the world right now. We're building a community of traders, so please come and join the Telegram. It is absolutely free. If you click the link down below, guys, you're going to join there, and you're going to actually get free signals sent to you every single day from the Smartcharts platform. If you want to upgrade, of course, there is a link down below just to get straight into Smartcharts yourself. You don't need the community, but it's good to hang out with other traders that want to make money. Today, I'm going to show you that I was just trading the breakfast breakout and I actually made an incredible amount of money. So let's get into this. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Do this for education purposes. So I'm going to hit both links down below. Syre community, Smartcharts. Let's make some money. Now, guys, you can see my trade on here, all right? It's actually already winning. It's really, really cool because what I think is the breakfast breakout strategy is by far the most superior, but it also depends on your trading. So, guys, this is the main indicator that you're going to get, the main signal that you're going to get when you join Smartcharts, all right, guys? But we're also going to be putting them in the Telegram like I spoke about. So we're going to take the trade off here, all right? Cancel this, take our profit, all right? We're at 136. You can see, okay, we're going to go up to trades just to show you, okay? When we take our profit for this, you can see here, guys, taking profit, and we're getting 135. Confirm that, and that is in my account. There you go, guys. It's literally that easy if you follow what the educators say, if you follow the signals, you follow the breakfast breakout strategy. All right, guys. But remember, there is a Telegram for free. Just hit the link down below. Go and check it out for yourself and try it. We're not going to charge you to try the signal, but if you want to take all the signals, use it all for yourself, get that $5,000 for free, you're going to have to jump in to SmartCharts. So join the Telegram down below and we'll explain it to you. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. Let's try and win again tomorrow, and I'll see you there.